Hello everybody, this is Jacob with Nexus. I am here at 408 Winter Street, Unit 1, located in Woonsocket, Rhode Island. This is a first floor, 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment, and we're going to begin our walkthrough here right in the living room. Living room connects to 2 of the bedrooms and the kitchen area. This living room does house a hardwood flooring. Along with that, the entire unit houses a nice fresh coat of paint. This living room also houses some fixed-in shelf space and some wide open bright windows. Plenty of outlets in this living area for all kinds of electronics and a good amount of square footage for a couple different furniture setups. Leading from there, we'll check out this first bedroom housed through this doorway. This bedroom does house one of 2 entryways into the unit. You do have your closet space there in the corner. And this bedroom's a pretty good suitable size for about a queen bed set. I think it should be able to fit a queen pretty easily. A good amount of square footage again in this bedroom. Hardwood flooring, wide open windows with street views. I think this bedroom could also easily double maybe as a double parlor kind of setup, or as an office space if that's what you're looking for. But again, treat it as a bedroom. You should be able to fit a queen bed set in here. So that's the first bedroom we're looking at. Next up, let's check out the second bedroom housed in the living room. Again, hardwood flooring. This bedroom's a little bit smaller, probably would suit a standard to full XL bed set, would be the best bet. Again, I think this bedroom could also double as an office space, probably honestly better as an office space than the first bedroom we looked at. But again, standard full XL should be able to work in here as a bedroom. You do have, again, your own closet space. This bedroom actually houses 2 closet spaces, so a little bit of extra storage right around the entryway right there. So 2 closets in this bedroom, standard full XL bed set. So that is 2 of the 3 bedrooms. Let's head back into the living room and let's check out the kitchen next. So a pretty centralized kitchen space. The kitchen houses your rear entryway, houses a galley space, and leads to the 3rd bedroom and is connected to the bathroom as well. You do have the vinyl wood flooring here in this kitchen, along with the large size stainless steel refrigerator and the 4-burner gas stove and oven. Again, wide open bright windows, a nice bright setup here in this kitchen area. Probably a good amount of space here for a small size dining set. I really wouldn't go much larger. Particularly here in this corner near the baseboard, I think a small little table would be perfect over here. There's your entryway, second entryway into the unit. But again, centralized kitchen area in this apartment. Leading from there, go ahead and check out the galley space. This houses brand new cabinets and a new countertop along with the single bin stainless steel sink. Nice setup here. And further on in, you actually have in-unit laundry hookups ready to go. So bring your own washer and dryer. You've got the hookups right here in the galley space. So a pretty cool addition to this apartment. Next up, let's check out that 3rd bedroom. Again, this is the bedroom housed in the kitchen. Hardwoods once again, fresh paint, your own closet. I think this bedroom should be able to fit a queen size bed set as well. It's a pretty wide open bedroom, so again, queen should fit just fine. Another addition with this apartment is you'll actually have 2 off-street parking spots. You'll have 1 garage spot and 1 driveway spot. So detached garage is also included with this apartment. And finally, let's check out the bathroom. Bathroom is fitted in between the kitchen and one of the bedrooms that we looked at earlier. So you got the vinyl wood flooring once again. You have your full tub and shower hooked up, ready to go towards the end over here. And you have your bowl sink and mirror vanity off to the left side. Fantastic. So once again, this is 408 Winter Street, Unit 1 here in Woonsocket, Rhode Island. Before I go, I'd like to remind everybody as always to please subscribe to the Nexus Property Management YouTube channel. That way you can keep up to date with all of the listings that we have available on our website. And of course, any news related to real estate and property management will be located on that website as well. Thank you very much.